Welcome to Accountancy for All. Today we will solve sum number 3, Bank Reconciliation Statement, Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary, +1 Accountancy. The question is given, from the following information prepare Bank Reconciliation Statement. Bank Reconciliation Statement is prepared as on a particular date. So the date is specifically given. As on 31st December 2017, we have to prepare a bank reconciliation statement. Balance as per cash book is given. We know the balance as per cash book is 15,000. So we call this cash book as our base book. We have to calculate the balance as per bank statement. So we call this our target. So we know the base book is cash book and the target book is our bank statement. What is the importance of this base book? Whatever adjustment has to be made, that is plus or minus, will be done on this base book balance. So we will be adding or subtracting from the cash book balance in the bank reconciliation statement. Balance as per cash book is given. I have given a picture of a common balance. One side of the common balance, assume it is the cash book, and the other side is the bank statement. Normally, the cash book balance and the bank statement balance must be equal. If there is any discrepancy, we will try to make it equal through this bank reconciliation statement. Balance as per cash book is given, it is 15,000. So, according to our assumption, bank statement will also have 15,000 rupee balance. Right? Now, let's start the sum. Bank reconciliation statement as on a particular date. Balance as per cash book is given in the question, rupees 15,000, that is shown. We have to add certain things and we have to reduce certain things. What we have to add and what we have to deduct. Let us analyze each and every discrepancy and find out. Check deposited but not yet collected, rupees 1,000. As soon as a check is deposited, we treat it as a deposit in our cash book. 1,000 rupee is added to the cash book balance, whereas it is not yet credited in the bank statement. Due to this discrepancy, cash book shows a balance of 16,000, whereas in the bank statement, the deposit is still 15,000. To make this equal, we have to adjust in the base book, which is the cash book. We have to minus 1,000 from the cash book balance in the bank reconciliation statement. Check deposited but not yet credited is shown as a deduction from the cash book balance. Check issued and entered in the cash book. So we have issued checks and it is entered in the cash book and the amount is 1,500. We have shown it as a withdrawal in the cash book, but it is not yet presented for payment. That means in the bank statement, it is not shown as a payment. In the cash book, it is a payment. In the bank statement, it is not a payment. Due to this, the cash book shows a balance of 13,500, whereas in the bank statement, the balance is still 15,000. To make this equal, we have to add 1,500 to the cash book balance, which is the base book. In the bank reconciliation statement, check issued but not presented for payment will be shown as an addition to the cash book balance. Dividend directly received by bank, rupees 200. Now this is dividend and this is received by bank directly. That means the banker has collected 200 rupee for us, and so the deposit as per bank statement is 15,200. It is not yet treated as a deposit in the cash book. So cash book shows 15,000. To make this equal, we have to add rupees 200 to the cash book balance in the bank's reconciliation statement. Dividend directly received by bank is added to the cash book balance. Direct payment made by bank for rent rupees 1,000. So the banker has paid 1,000 for us from our account. He has withdrawn and he has paid for rent. This amount is not treated as a payment in the cash book. Due to this, bank statement shows a balance of 14,000, whereas in the cash book, the balance is still 15,000. To make this equal, we have to deduct 1,000 from the cash book balance in the bank reconciliation statement. Direct payment made by bank for rent is shown as a deduction 1,000. Locker rent charged by bank. Locker rent is charged by bank. Whenever bank is charging something, he will be deducting the amount from our account. So the banker has taken 1,200 from our bank account, but it is not yet recorded in the cash book. So as per bank statement, it is a payment, but in the cash book, it is not a payment. Bank statement shows 13,800 is the balance, whereas in the cash book, it is still 15,000. To make this equal, we have to minus 1,200 from the cash book balance in the bank reconciliation statement. Locker rent charged by bank not recorded in the cash book, 1,200 is shown as a deduction in the BRS. Wrong debit given by bank on 30th December 2017. Kindly understand, the debit is the withdrawal and the credit is the deposit as far as bank statement is concerned. So the banker has withdrawn 500 rupee by mistake, isn't it? Wrong debit given. So by mistake, banker has withdrawn 500 rupee from our bank account, which is not shown in the cash book. Bank statement shows 14,500 balance, whereas cash book it is still 15,000. We have to make this equal. We deduct 500 rupee from the cash book balance in the BRS. Wrong debit given by bank on 30th December 2017 is shown as a deduction. The last item, a payment made through net banking has been entered twice in the cash book. We made a payment of rupee 300 through net banking that was already deducted from the bank statement also. Now there is no mistake here, but the amount is entered twice in the cash book. That means we paid 300 once and we made entry twice. So due to this, the cash book shows a balance of 14,400, whereas in the bank statement, it is 14,700. To make this equal, 300 rupee will be shown as an addition to the cash book balance in the bank reconciliation statement. Error of entering a payment twice in the cash book, 300 is shown as an addition. We have come to the end of the sum. The next step is to calculate what is the balance as per bank statement. First, we have to add all these three items. The total will be 2,000. Now we have written add, isn't it? 15,000 plus 2,000, 17,000, you write at the bottom. Next step, we have to total up all these four items, all deduction items will be 3,700. What we have to do? We have to less. From 17,000, we less this 3,700, we get 13,300. We started with the balance as per cash book. So our end result will be the bank statement. We start with cash book and we end with bank statement. Now this is the positive amount, isn't it? As it is a positive amount, we conclude that it is the balance as per bank statement. Hope you understood how to solve this BRS. My next video will be on unfavorable balance as per cash book. Keep watching. Post your doubts in the comments section. As and when I get your doubts, I will surely clear it. Thank you.